Hello everyone, welcome to session 16 of Selenium training. In today's training, I'm going to continue the Java part, guys. So if you remember in the yesterday's session, I've explained about operators, right? I started explaining about operators in yesterday's session. As part of the operators, I already covered these arithmetic operators, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment operator and decrement operator. I covered all these arithmetic operators. Now let's move to the relational operators. Okay, now let's move to the relational operator. So there are a few examples here. You can go through this file, guys. Okay, all the examples are provided here. Fine, let me explain one by one. So there are different type of relational operators. One is equal to operator, not equal to operator, greater than operator, less than operator, greater than or equal to operator, and less than or equal to operator. Fine. Let me launch my Eclipse IDE so that I can demonstrate all these operators followed by the other operators too. Okay. So we have, what are the different relational operators we have? One is equal to operator. The symbol for this equal to is double assignment. Okay, you have to provide the assignment operator twice, guys. Equal to double assignment. Then not equal to operator. Exclamatory mark and assignment operator. This will together form as not equal to. Then greater than, I guess, right? Greater than operator. In mathematics, we used to have this greater than symbol, right? The same symbol here also, greater than. Less than operator. Same as mathematics, that is less than symbol. Now, greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Symbol here is greater than symbol or assignment operator. Okay, greater than assignment operator. The last one is less than or equal to. That is less than equal to assignment operator. So all these operators I am going to demonstrate now, guys, one by one. Let me delete this project. So guys, here I am doing one thing while deleting the project. If I say delete and if I don't select this checkbox, and what will happen if I select this checkbox and if I don't select this checkbox? If I select this checkbox, the project will not only get deleted from Eclipse IDE, it will also get deleted from the folders. For example, you see, right click, properties, go to this path, workspace, this is up to the workspace, you just go to there. So under that, my third project is there, right? While deleting this project, if I select this project and delete, then the project will not only get deleted from the Eclipse IDE, it will also get deleted from this workspace path. But what if I don't select this option and click on OK? While deleting, I don't select this checkbox option and click on OK. The project got deleted from here, guys, but it will not get deleted from your folder. Again, you have to manually delete if you want to delete from here also. Okay, so fine. What if I create a project again? from my project 4. Click on finish. Now there is a project here. Let me refresh. This is my project 4. Okay. Now guys, this time I will right click here and select delete. And now select this delete project contents on disk also. Click on OK. I selected the checkbox while deleting, right? You see, now the project got deleted directly from workspace also. Not only from Eclipse side, it also got deleted from the workspace, from the disk. Okay. This is the difference, guys. This is the difference. So let me create another project. Let's get into the business. Okay. Let me explain all these operators now. Okay. Java project. New. Next. My project 5. Finish. Okay. Right click on this project SRC folder. Say new. Say class. And give any name. Let's say Relational Operators demo. Select this public static void main option. Click on finish. Now guys, this is a class. This is a main method. And inside that I am going to demonstrate, inside the main method, I am going to demonstrate you the relational operator. So what is the first relational operator, guys? Here equal to is the first equal to, which is nothing but double assignment, right? Is the first relational operator I want to demonstrate. System dot out dot. Before this, let me say int a is equal to 5, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 3, comma d is equal to some 9. Let me take some random example. Int a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 3, d is equal to 9. Now, so all these 4 variables, a, b, c, d are the variables. A got assigned with the variable 3, b got assigned with the variable 6, c got with 3, d got with assigned with the variable value in, that is literal 9. Now, all these variables of which data type are defined of integer data type. Now, system dot out dot println. Here I will say a double equal to b. Is a equal to b, guys? Is a equal to b? No. So what will be the result? What will be printed in the output? So a boolean value called false will be printed, guys. Okay. System dot out dot println a equal to c. What will happen this time? Is a
True.
equal to c?
True.
Yes. Yes, true will be printed. Boolean value true will be printed. So for relational operators, either true or false will be the output. If the relational operator is kind of correct, then true will be printed. If it is wrong, false will be printed. Now, let's see this in action. Save this. Right click on this class. Say run as Java application. It's running. It is executing, guys, for the first time. Okay, you see, you got the result. First print statement got printed false, and second print statement has printed true. True, right? This is about equal to operator. Now, not equal to operator. I'll remove these things. Now, guys, what is the symbol for not equal to? Exclamatory mark and equal to, right? A not equal to B. And here A not equal to C. What will be the result? A is not equal to B. Not equal to B. It's true, right? It will print true. It will print true. Whereas A not equal to C. A is not equal to C. 3 is not equal to 3 is false. So it will print false. These are comments, guys. So it will not be executed. So I'm using for explanation purpose. Right click run as Java application. Yes, first one has printed true. Second one has printed false as expected. Now, guys, third operator, that is greater than operator. Let me clear out all this stuff. Let me add one more print statement. I will say okay, A is greater than B. B is greater than C. And A is greater than C. These are the three things I want to compare, guys. Okay. A is greater than B. 3 is greater than 6. True or false?
False.
Yes, false. Right. Now, the second one is B greater than C. 6 greater than 3. True. True. Right. Now, A is greater than C. 3 is greater than 3. Is it true or false? Yes. 3 is equal to 3, but 3 is not greater than 3. Right? So, false. False, guys. That's it. Correct. Because we have seen these things in the mathematics, right? In our schooling days. Okay. A greater than B, false. B greater than 3, C, true. And A greater than C is false. Fine. This is how it goes. Fine. Now, let's move to the next operator. That is less than operator. Simple, guys. I'll change these things. Greater than symbol to less than symbol. Simple. Okay. Same examples, but I'm just changing greater than to less than symbol. A less than B. 3 is less than 6 is true. Right? And B is less than C. B is 6. 6 less than 3 is 6 is not less than 3. So false. And A less than C. A less than C. That is 3 is less than 3. Still false. It's equal to, but not less than or neither less than nor greater than, right? A and C are equal. So it will be false always. So true, false, false. Okay. That's correct, guys. Whatever you are pinging over chat is correct. Fine. Let me run as Java application. Done. True, false, false. Right? True and false, false. As expected. Now the next one. A is, I'll replace this less than symbol with greater than or equal to. Here also greater than or equal to. Here also greater than or equal to. Let's find it out now. Okay. Now A greater than or equal to B. A is 3. 3 greater than or equal to B. 3 is greater than or equal to 6. True or false? It's neither equal to, A is not equal to B or A is not greater than B. Both are false. So false. Now B is greater than or equal to C. B is greater than or equal to C. B is greater than C is true already. So it's one of the condition is true. So it will be true. Okay. one of the condition, it should be either greater than, B should be either greater than C, or B should be either equal to C. Any of the things should be correct. So here B greater than C is correct, so it went true. Now guys, third one, A greater than or equal to C. 3 is greater than or equal to 3 is false, but 3 is equal to 3 is true. So one of the condition equal to is true, so true. Yes, false, true, true. Okay, this should be the result. Let me run, right click, run as Java application. You see, false, true, true. Now the reverse one guys, very easy. Less than or equal to, less than or equal to, less than or equal to. So A less than or equal to B. A is 3, which is less than or equal to B. 3 is less than 6 is true already. So it need not be equal to B. Okay, it's 3 is less than 6. One of the condition is true. 3 is less than 6 is true, so it's true. Now B is less than or equal to C. 6 is less than or equal to C. 6 is neither less than 3 nor equal to 3, so false. Now A less than or equal to C. A is 3, 3 is less than 3 is false, but 3 is equal to 3 is true. One of the condition is true, so true. True, false, true. Let me run this and see whether we are getting the same result or not. Yes, true, false, true. So these are about the relational operators, guys. We are done with the relational operators. Okay, these are the relational operators. Just practice them, guys. Now let's move to the next set of operators, that is logical operators. Okay, logical operators. So there are three types of logical operators. One is logical AND operator, logical OR operator, and logical NOT operator. So what are the three things? Logical AND operator. First one. Okay. The symbol for this one is ampersand ampersand. Then here logical OR operator. What is the symbol? Two pipes. Pipe symbol. Okay. Double pipe symbol. Double ampersand symbol. Double pipe symbol. Now logical NOT operator. The symbol is simple, guys, exclamatory mark. Okay, NOT operator. Coming to logical AND operator, how does this logical AND operator will work? It will work like this, guys. True, ampersand ampersand true, and true, ampersand ampersand false, false, ampersand ampersand true. Okay, I'll keep it here like this. Now last one is false, ampersand ampersand false. These are the four combinations, guys, which we'll generally get while using ampersand logical AND operator, that is double ampersand. True and true. If both the conditions are true, left side condition is true and right side condition is true, okay, then it will be true, guys. The result will be true. True, true and true is true. Both should be true, then only it will be true, guys. Now, true and false. One of the condition is false, left side condition is true and right side condition is false. If one of the condition is false, yes, it will result in false. Okay, both should be true, only it will be true, otherwise it will be false, guys. False and true, false again. False and false, false. If at least one false is there, it will become false automatically. Okay, if both are true, then only it will be true, guys. So what about the logical OR operator? Let's write down few examples. True or true, then true or false, false or true. then false or false. Okay, here both the conditions are true, left side and right side, so it will definitely become true. It may be either and or, both the cases it will be true. Here you see left side is true and right side is false, but the operator is logical or operator. So in logical or operator, it will behave opposite to the logical and operator. Here if one of the condition is false, it will become false. But here in logical or, if one of the condition is true, it will become true, guys. Here also same thing, false true. One of the condition is true, so it will become true. Here false and false, it will result in false because both the conditions are false, so it will be false. Only in case of false it will become false. Remaining all cases it will be true. Here only in case of true it will become true, logical and in remaining cases it will be false. So opposite, okay, opposite kind of thing. Now coming to the logical not operator, there are two possibilities only with logical not operator. Okay, what are the two possibilities? Not of true and not of false. Two options only. Not of either not of true or not of false. Not of true is false. Opposite of true is false. Something like that. Okay. Not of false is opposite. What is opposite of false? True. Like this, guys. These are the logical operators, guys. Let me demonstrate all these logical operators in this project, guys. Okay. Fine. So let me delete this project completely. Okay. So it will also get deleted from here also. You see, the project got deleted from the workspace also because I selected that checkbox option while deleting. Now let me create a new Java project again. I'm just creating so that things will be easy for you guys. Okay. Every time I'm creating a fresh project. In future, I may not create that many number of projects, guys. So in initial sessions only, I'll be creating this many number of projects. Okay. My Java project 6. Finish. Right click on SRC, new class, logical operators, right? Logical operators, demo. Finish. This time I didn't create the main method, guys. Intentionally, I didn't create the main method. While creating the class, there was an option to select main method. I didn't select that. Okay. That's why the main method didn't come here. So I will write down that manually now. Okay. This is a class. Inside the class, the main method will be there. So what is the syntax? Public static void main string args. Okay, this is a main method. So program execution will start from the main method. So main method is compulsory, guys. If you don't have the main method and try to execute something, what will happen? You see, you are not getting an option to run the program. Java application is not coming. And if I put this main method inside this class and save it, now right click on this, run as. You see, you are getting the Java application. Without the main method, you are not getting the Java application. You cannot execute, guys. Simple thing is that you cannot execute without main method, right? If you don't have this main method, you cannot execute the program. If you have this main method, then only you can execute this program. Now, guys, let me demonstrate the logical operators. First one is logical AND operator. System dot out dot println true true. System dot out dot println true ampersand false. System dot out dot println uh, false true. System dot out dot println false ampersand false. Small case. Now second one, logical OR operators. system dot out dot println false ampersand sorry, true or symbol or operator true. So I will copy paste this. It will not take much time if I copy paste, right? So this time it is true and this is false. This time this is false and the right side is true. Fourth condition, both are false. Okay. The last one, not operator, not of true. Sorry. This one is not of false. Now tell me, guys, what is the output for the first one? Anyone?
True.
Yes, right. The next one.
False.
Yeah.
False.
Okay. Third one.
False.
Fourth
And
one.
false.
This one.
True.
Mm-hmm.
True.
Okay.
True.
Yes.
And false.
Yes. This one.
False.
This
True.
one. Right, guys. That's correct. Let me run this program. Right click, run as Java application. Fine, guys. So this is how true, false. Same thing we'll get true, false, 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 true, false, false, false. We got. After that we got true, 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 false. So true, 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 false, and last one is false and true. So false and true we got. So we are good. We are on the page. That's about the logical operators, guys. We are done with arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. Now let's go to the next set of operators, that are assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Assignment operators. Sorry. So these are the different assignment operators. We already seen the first one, right? Where did we use this assignment operator? First assignment operator, well, declaration, right? So if I say int a is equal to 3, okay. Now I will say system dot out dot println a. What will be the output, guys? What will be the output? Yes, 3, guys. That's correct. It's 3, right? It's 3. Output is 3. Now if I say a is equal to 5, I will again print the same variable a. Now what is the output? Is it 3 or 5? Anyone? Yes, it's 5, guys. Okay, everyone is pinging over chat. That's correct. So 5 is correct answer. Okay. So when I already assigned the variable a with the value 3, but later if I assign another value to the same variable, so what will happen? This will be removed from the memory and the latest value will be stored in the memory of this variable a. Okay, the old value will be replaced by the new value. So from then onwards, when you print a, the latest assigned value will be printed. The old value will be removed, erased. Okay, this value will be erased and the new value will be assigned to the variable a, guys. So here we are using an operator, guys. What is this operator? Assignment operator. This operator is nothing but assignment operator. Okay, this operator is nothing but assignment operator, guys. The operator I am using here is nothing but the assignment operator. Fine. Now we have other different assignment operators. This is generally basically called as assignment operator. If someone says what is an assignment operator, we will directly say is equal to symbol, right? But there are other assignment operators. Plus equal to, subtraction equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, and percentile equal to. Okay, shorthand. These are shorthand assignment operators. Shorthand assignment operators. This is general assignment operator. The first one is the general assignment operator, whereas the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus equal to, subtraction equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, and percentage equal to are shorthand assignment operators. I will explain how to use them. Okay. So what are they? What are the different shorthand assignment operators we have? Let me write down first so that you can remember the things. So first one is plus equal to. Okay. The second shorthand assignment operator is subtraction equal to. Third is multiplication equal to. Fourth one is division equal to. Fifth one is percentile equal to. How to use these different operators, guys? How to use this different operators? Plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, subtraction equal to, and percentile equal to. How to use all these shorthand assignment operators? I am going to demonstrate that now. Okay. So first start with plus equal to. First I will say int a is equal to 5. Okay. Now I will say a plus equal to 3, or else I will say a plus equal to 4. Let's say system dot out dot println. If I print a, what will be the value of a? Okay, right. Yes, Shruti and Priyanka, you are right. Okay, can anyone explain what's happening here? A plus is equal to 4. What's happening here?
So what it does is a plus equal to 4. So what the exact meaning of that is a equal to 4 plus a, and the value of a is 5. So it says a equal to 4 plus 5.
Yes, right. So let me explain that for the one who don't know about this. A plus equal to 4, right? So this can be, this is a shortcut, guys. This is a short form, okay, of a is equal to a plus 4. This is equal to this, guys, same. Okay, a plus is equal to 4 means a is equal to a plus 4. A plus is equal to 4 is nothing but a is equal to a plus 4, guys. What is a is equal to a plus 4? A is equal to a plus 4 is nothing but a is equal to, what is the value of a? 5. A is equal to 5 plus 4. So that means a is equal to how much, guys? 5 plus 4 how much? 9, right? 9. So when I print the value of a, it will print 9, guys. Here it will print 9. Okay, let me save and run it. Right click, run as Java application. You see 9. Same thing, if I say a minus equal to 4, what will happen? A is equal to a minus 4 will happen, right? A minus is equal to 4 means a is equal to a minus 4. That means 5 minus 4. That means 5 minus 4 is 1. So when I run this program, it will print 1. Right click, run as Java application. So it printed 1. Now a multiplication is equal to 4. That is equal to a is equal to a into 4. That is equal to a is equal to 5 into 4. 20. 20 will be printed here. Right, guys, whatever you are pinging or chat is correct. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. 20 got printed in the output. Now a divided by 4. A divided by is equal to 4. That is equal to a is equal to a by 4. That is equal to 5 by 4. What is the output, guys? Yes. So 1. Right click, because 4 ones are 4. Right? One time you can divide the 5 by how many times of 4? Only one time. That's why 1 is there. Let me run as the application will be printed. And another one is, if I say 2, And if I say percentile here, A is equal to A percentile 2. The remainder, we are looking for the remainder. You already know about this, right? 5 percentile 2. What will be the remainder? The remainder will be same thing, 2 to the 4. Remainder will be 1. So 1 will be printed here. Right click, run as Java application 1. Okay, correct. That's correct, guys. Whoever is pinging over chat, it's correct. Fine. This is how shorthand assignment operators will work. So I think we are done with all the shorthand assignment operators also. Now we'll go with the last kind of operator, that is conditional operator. Okay, the last kind of operator, that is conditional operator. Let me complete this. What is the symbol, guys? Question mark and colon. Two symbols are there, question mark and colon. This is conditional operator. This miscellaneous operator, that is conditional operator. Okay, it's nothing but there are two symbols being used for this operator, guys. There are two symbols used for this operator. One is question mark, another one is colon symbol. How to use this question mark colon symbol in conditional operator, I am going to explain now. I will say if I say true, question mark 5 colon 4, what will be the output? I am saying true, true question mark. If it is true, question mark means if it is true, just print 5. It will print 5, guys. I am just giving it high level, guys. If I say false question mark 5 colon 4, what does it print? If it is false, it will print 4, guys. Okay. So if it is true, it will print the left side of the colon value. If it is false, it will print the right side of colon value, that is 4. Left side is 5, right side is 4. Okay. So here you don't have to use these things adjacent kind of thing. Okay. Question mark will be somewhere and colon will be somewhere. There will be some first value between this question mark and colon reality. This is how you have to use question mark colon. So let me demonstrate that using a program so that you will understand more. I will say a realistic example I will take. Int a is equal to 5, comma b is equal to 3. Now I'll say C comma D also. Okay. I have not assigned any values for C and D. A value is 5. Sorry, not C and D. Okay, let it that be, not a problem. Okay, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, C comma D are not assigned with any values here. Right? Now I'll say C is equal to all these variables A, B, C, D are integer variables. You can assign integer numerical values to these variables, right? Now I'll say C is equal to A greater than B, question mark. I will say 6 colon 9 semicolon. And one more thing I will say, D is equal to A less than B, I will say 2 colon 7. Now if I print system dot out dot println C, the value of C, system dot out dot println the value of D, what will be the output? What will be the output? Yes. Okay. So here C is equal to A greater than B. Is A, what is A greater than B? 5 greater than 3. 5 greater than 3. True, right? This case is true. That means it will take left or right. If it is true, it will take left operator. That means here 6 will be chosen. 6 will be chosen. and this particular 6 will be assigned to the variable C. C will be assigned with the variable 6. So you are using this conditional operator, you are assigning the value 6 based on this condition to C. Okay, 6 got assigned to C now. So when I print C, it will print 6 guys. What about this one? D is equal to A less than B. 5 less than 3 is false. If it is false, it will choose left or right. It will choose the right one. So it will choose 7. 7 will be assigned to the value D. So when I print D, it will print 7. Yes, right, Sujata. You are right. Okay, this is how it works, guys. Let me run this program so that we are. Let's check whether we are getting the 6 and 7 as output or not. Save it, run it, run as Java application. You see, 6 and 7 got printed in the output. That's correct. Whatever I explained is correct. Fine, guys. This is all about the operators, guys. So you can also go through this file where I have provided all the operators. If you can practice from here. Okay. In this file, everything is there. You can practice all these things apart from what I explained. Now, this is all about operators, guys. As part of operators, I explained arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and other operators like conditional operators. Okay, guys, that's all about the operators. Any questions, guys? Any questions about the operators? Is it clear? They're all basic concepts, guys. Very basic concepts. Okay. Fine. Fine, guys. So let's move to the next topic, that is flow control. Okay. Flow control. These are flow control statements. I'm going to explain the next topic, that is flow control, which change the flow. These statements will change the flow of the programs. That's why they are called as flow control. So I have written this much of code. What is the flow of execution, guys? In this particular example, what was the flow of the execution? It actually started from the main method and it went inside the main method, and the first statement got executed first, followed by the second statement got executed, then later third statement got executed, later fourth statement got executed, then later fifth statement got executed, one by one, guys. Okay, there is no alteration in the flow. After the first statement, all the statements got executed in an order from first statement to the last statement. Every statement got executed in this proper order. That is first statement followed by second statement, followed by third statement, followed by fourth statement, followed by fifth statement. What if I want to execute this first statement and later execute this fifth statement? I want to skip all these three statements in between. Okay. I want to execute the first statement. Even though there are this many statements in my program, I don't want to execute every time all these three statements. I want to skip these statements. Directly I want the program to execute the first statement followed by the fifth statement. How to do that? It's possible with the help of flow control, guys. Okay. Flow control statements. Flow control statements will change the flow of execution of this program. Okay. I'll show you with examples how the flow will change with the. It's not only from first to fifth, guys. There are many patterns. Okay. There are many patterns how to change the flow of the programs. Okay. I'll explain one by one. Different things will execute the change the flow in different ways, guys. Okay. There are different flow control statements are there. If you can see this diagram, there are different flow control statements. This many flow control statements are there. Every flow control statement will change the flow in its own way. Okay. If statement may change the flow in its own way, and switch will change the flow in its own way, do while will change the flow in its own way, return will change the flow of the program in its own way. Okay. There are different ways these statements will change the flow. So nothing but flow control describes the order in which the statements will be executed at runtime. That means the flow of the execution of the statements in which they will be executed will be at the runtime will be decided by the flow control statements. Fine. There are different type of flow control statements, and the flow control statements can be categorized into, at a high level, flow control statements can be categorized into selection statements, iterative statements, transfer statements. Flow control statements can be categorized into at a high level into selection statements, iterative statements, and transfer statements. What are they? So flow control statements can be categorized into, first one is selection statements. Next one is iterative statements. Third one is transfer statements. Flow control statements can be categorized into selection statements, iterative statements, and transfer statements. Selection statements, iterative statements, and transfer statements. Under selection statements, we have if statement, if else statement, if else if else statements. Okay, if else statements, you can give a gap here. And last one is switch statements. Okay, under selection statements there are if else, and switch. If else, if else, and switch. These are the four selection statements we have under selection statements. Now coming to the iterative statements, while statements, do while statements, for loop, and other one is for each loop. For each, for hyphen each, they will say. For hyphen each. Okay. While, do while, for, and for each. Coming to the transfer statements, we have break and continue, and the other thing, return, try, catch, finally. Okay, all these statements will be explained, guys. Okay, in the upcoming contents, in upcoming sessions, all these statements, if else, if else, switch, while, do while, for each and everything I listed down will be explained to you guys. Okay, to categorize them properly, flow control statements can be at a high level categorized into selection statements, iterative statements, and transfer statements. Under selection statements, we have if else, if else, and switch. Under iterative statements, we have while, do while, for each. Under transfer statements, we have break, continue, return, try, catch, finally. Okay, this is how you can categorize the flow control statements. Okay, guys. This is how you have to categorize the flow control statements. Now let's move to the next section, that is selection statements. Okay, I'll take this tomorrow, guys. Okay, this is fine for now. I'll take this tomorrow. Selection statements will be taken up tomorrow. Okay, any questions, guys? Any questions before I wind up today's session? Any questions?
No, Arun.
Okay, fine, guys. And okay, that's fine. That's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow at the same time, guys. Okay, we'll take it slow, a bit by bit, but we'll try to complete as much as possible soon. Okay, see you guys. See you tomorrow at the same time. Bye.
Thanks, Arun. Bye.
Yeah. Thanks, everyone. See you. Bye.